And welcome to the intercom system at the Avalon. This is our first barrier of security at Skypad Avalon. Once you reach the intercom system, you will then identify the A to Z button and then the green bar that will see the last names first initial next of one of the managers that are registered in the intercom system. So let's begin by identifying me, last name Hunter, first name Rodney, so that would be Hunter R. Once you identify Hunter R, you go down to the call button and you hit call. Once you press the call button, it will then call my cell phone. I will pick up and I will ask, who is it? You please let me know your name and that you are a registered guest for Skypad. Once you do that, I will hit the number 9 and you will hear a buzz, and then I will go ahead and buzz you into the door. Quickly grab the door and enter into the building. Let's do it for real this time.